So welcome back to guys Hyperbyte. In this video we are unboxing this 500 watt amplifier board. You can see this board is received from BRS Electronics. I buy this board in only 2030 rupees. Okay, so you can see this board is class H board. So let's unbox it.
I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a scotch bonnet. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
So if you are new in this video, so please like and subscribe my channel. So you can see this board comes with this diagram paper. So you can read it and connection its board perfectly. So you can see this board is support 2AC 5198 and 2AC 5200 NPN transistor and N141 and 2SA 9143 transistors.
Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap and I'll be breaking this.
Okay, so this board also comes with this tiny two wires to connect audio and 12 volt relay to speaker protection. Okay, so you can see this board is unboxed. So you can see this board finishing.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Okay, so you can see this board. So this is the 24 volt relay and it's for speaker protection. Let's place the board. You can see this board. Okay, so you can see this wire is connected here to audio input, this pin, and this wire is for speaker protection and give here 12 volt and 15 volt. So I can give it 12 volt for because 12 volt it works perfectly. Okay, so if you are interested to see build a amplifier with it, so please comment in below and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. So you can see this diagram. Okay, so you can see this. You can see this diagram and build a connection your amplifier, and you can build a custom PCB for it and build a amplifier. And this video is not sponsored by BRS Electronics. Okay, so thank you for watching.